Street, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on.
All right, Al, I don't think it's going to be quite that bad, but thank you. Got the satellite feed there. Anyway, folks, obviously here's your weather effects demonstration. You hear the thunder. That's an audio effect done through speakers. Lightning is simulated with high-intensity flash bulbs. And of course, there's your rain. Sprinklers high overhead shoot water up into the air. The water comes right back down, and it gives you the illusion of falling rain. So, no matter how many consecutive days of sunshine we may have here, wait a minute. Folks, look out. Al wasn't kidding around. It's flash flood time, and here comes the water. And there you have it. It is our flash flood on the back lot. Basically, we have these large water tanks at the top of the hill. Release thousands of gallons of water. They come down, get all of you wet, go underneath the bridge, back up to the top of the hill, and they're used on the next unsuspecting tram. A few years ago, our flash flood was used in a little film called Big Fat Liar, which starred Frankie Muniz and Anna Vines, called Giamatti.